You know the dishwasher's still broken, right?
Yeah, I know. Felipe's coming on Wednesday. Of next week. Where's the bottle opener?
It's behind the cookie jar shaped like a dog's head.
There's a good place for it.
Yes, by the way, if you're not too busy, I would love some help washing the dishes. Thank you so much for offering to help me.
You know I'm allergic to steel wool.
Lucky for you, I'm not an insane person, so I wash dishes with a sponge instead of steel wool. So, learn the difference.
How am I supposed to know the difference?
This is blue. Is how. You know, my sister Maggie's getting a divorce.
Great. Remind me to send Anthony an edible arrangement. Get the fuck.
Jesus Christ.